guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm here for another video and another delicious sweet treat. So today I thought I would just film a quick little video based off my most popular recipe, the first recipe that went viral on my blog, and that is from the condensed milk brownies. These have rave reviews from so many people. Yeah, thanks for everyone who makes it. If you haven't made my condensed milk brownies, I will link the recipe below because you're going to want to try these. Or you can try the recipe I'm going to be making today, which is a condensed milk brownie pie. So yeah, it's pretty simple. It's the condensed milk brownies, but instead we're adding a little bit of a biscuit base for a bit of a crunch, and we're going to put it in a round baking tin so it's like a pie. Anyway, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we need to make the base, which is just crushing some biscuits. I'm using digestive biscuits. You could use a chocolate based biscuit or like an Oreo or type thing. I thought I'd go for like more of a vanilla-y, you know, just plain digestive kind of biscuit, because I mean the filling's going to be a chocolate brownie. We don't need even more chocolate, so maybe we do. Crushed biscuit base, so I'm going to crush it in a food processor as I find that's the easiest, and then of course mix that with some melted butter, and you have the biscuit base. It's very simple. And there you have the biscuit base. And now we're going to press that into a springform cake pan that's got a loose bottom so that you can easily get it out. They're the best kind of cake pans. I'll link one below so you can grab one if you don't have one yourself. So we have all our liquid ingredients in here, and I've taken it off the heat because we don't want to keep cooking everything. I'm going to just jump in all the dry ingredients, mix it together, and that's it.